us discuss about Baha. Baha. What is Baha? Baha is bone anchored hearing aid. Bone anchored hearing aid. See, what is this Baha? Baha is a hearing aid. This Baha improves bone conduction. Improves bone conduction. That means this in this hearing aid, sound bypasses external ear and middle ear. Sound bypasses external ear and middle ear. So what we can say here is this Baha can be used in the disorders of external ear and middle ear. Okay, so when we cannot use air conduction hearing aids, we can use Baha. Clear? So when there are disorders of external ear and middle ear, these disorders present in these areas will prevent us from using air conduction devices, right? In the disorders of external ear and middle ear, we cannot use air conduction hearing aids. So in that cases, we use this Baha, right? So air conduction devices cannot be used in external ear and middle ear disorders. Clear? So what we can say is, in the disorders of external ear and middle ear, we can use this Baha. So what are the indications? We can say the first one is in the disorders of external ear and middle ear, and one more indication is single sided deafness. Single sided hearing loss, we can say. Hearing loss. In a single sided hearing loss, how will this help us in hearing? In single sided hearing loss, what this Baha does is it transmits impulses, or we can say sound, from non hearing ear to hearing ear. Okay, impulses or sound signals from non hearing ear or deaf ear will be transmitted to hearing ear. That means from cochlea of non hearing or deaf ear to cochlea of hearing ear. Hearing from cochlea of hearing ear, right? So this is how it can be useful. What are the conditions in the external ear that can be that in which we can use this Baha? We can say in chronic ear discharge. Chronic ear discharge, we can write this in separate page. Okay, so what are the indications? The first one is when air conduction devices are not used. In which condition we don't use this air conduction devices? In the diseases of external ear and middle ear. Clear? So when air conduction devices cannot be used, air conduction devices cannot be used, in such conditions we can use Baha. So what are the conditions? We can say canal atresia. Canal atresia, congenital or acquired, non-amenable to treatment. Clear? So this in canal atresia we cannot use this hearing devices. I mean air condition hearing device. So in such cases we can use Baha. When there is chronic discharge, in chronic discharge also we cannot use air conduction devices. Chronic discharge. Okay, and when there is mixed hearing loss, mixed hearing loss, and as I told you, single sided deafness. So these are all the indications. Clear? Now let's move into the instrument, I mean hearing aid. This hearing aid has got three parts. We can say it has got three components. What are all the components? Let's see. The first one is titanium fixer. Titanium fixer. Second one is titanium abutment. Clear? Titanium abutment. Clear, guys? Third component is sound processor. Sound processor. Clear? In this, the first part, that is titanium fixer. This titanium fixer is surgically implanted in the bone. It is surgically implanted in the bone, right? After that, when we after implanting this into the bone, will allow some time, will give some time for this titanium fixer to integrate with the bone. Okay, so we will give time for what to integrate with the bone, right? This is called osteointegration. Osteointegration. First we'll surgically implant this into bone, then we'll allow some time for this titanium fixer to integrate with the bone. Clear? This is called osteointegration. And the period of this osteointegration is 3 to 6 months. Is 3 to 6 months. So after that we'll fix titanium abutment to this, and then sound processor. Clear? Okay, this is about bone anchored hearing aid. Clear? Mm, what are the complications that you can see? These complications are very rare. Okay, so these include failure to osseointegrate. Okay, complications first are very rare. What if there are any complications? What are these? Let's see. The complications are this osseointegration will not happen. Failure to osteointegration in some people. Clear? This is about Baha. Thank you for watching.